Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add email link in your WordPress website. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, you click on what pages, after which you click on all pages. So guys, we are going to be adding this email link on our contact page. So we'll simply choose it, edit, but we are going to be using the Elementor page builder to edit this page. So we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so guys, once you're here, let's say you want to add this to be a clickable link. You simply click on what, edit this mob icon here. A new pop-up is going to display like this. Come down here and we are going to be inserting this link. So I'm going to leave it on the description box below. Copy it and you paste it here. So if you want to insert your number also, you simply click on here. You click, I'm going to leave the both of them in the description box below. Scroll down. After that, you click on what, update. Okay, let's say you want to add this clickable link on your what, on a normal text like here. So you simply copy it again. Let's say you highlight this, you choose this here, you insert this here. As you can see, click on what, update. So guys, after doing that, we are going to verify. So we are going to click on contact page. We'll scroll down and we'll click here. That's it, that's the email just pop up. So let's check on this other one, info, click there, the same thing. So guys, that's actually the way you add email link in your WordPress website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.